Learners. My name is Facilitator Michael. I'm a young mathematician and I want to encourage you, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, quickly do that. All you need to do is to locate the subscription button and subscribe. Like the video and share it with your loved ones. Thank you. Today, we are going to consider percentage as a topic. What is percentage? Percentage is a ratio where the second number is constant and is equal to 100. And you need to take note, this is the symbol of percentage. And anytime that you have 30%, another way in which you can write it is 30 ratio 100. Likewise, when you have 12%, you can write it as 12 ratio 100. So we want to convert fraction to percentage. Anytime that you are asked to convert fraction to percentage, all what you need to do is to multiply by 100%. So let's solve the relevant example given here. Convert the following fraction to percentage. All what you need to do is to multiply by 100%. So we have 3 over 5. We are going to multiply it by 100%. 5 here 1. 5 in 100, that will give you 20. 3 times 20 will give you 60%. That is the final answer for that question. Then you have 3 over 15 here. All you need to do is to multiply it by 100%. 3 in 15 will give us 5. Then 3 here is 1. 5 here 1. 5 in 100 will give us 20. 1 multiplied by 20 will give us 20%. And you have 7 over 11. So you still repeat the same process. 7 over 11 times 100%. And you will see that there is no way you can reduce it to its simplest form. So you are going to multiply the denominators. So you have 700% over 11. How many times will 11 goes in 70? That will be 6, which is 66. So it remains 4. So 11 in 40, that will be 3, which is 33. So it remains 7. So you have 63 whole number, 7 over 11%. Likewise, if you want to convert ratio to percentage, so don't forget that I told you that the other way of writing 1 ratio 2 is 1 over 2. So you are going to multiply it by 100%. 2 here 1, 2 here 50. So you have 50%. Then you have 5 over 7 here, multiply by 100%. So 5 multiplied by 100 will give you 500% over